Looking for a quick, healthy, high-protein snack that actually tastes amazing? These cottage cheese bagel bites are soft, chewy, satisfying, and made with only 5 simple ingredients. They're perfect for busy mornings, meal prep, after-school snacks, or even a healthy bread replacement. And the best part? You can make them in the air fryer or the oven. If you love easy, healthy recipes that keep you full longer, especially protein-packed snacks, you're going to love this one. Here's everything you'll need for these delicious cottage cheese bagel bites. 1 cup cottage cheese, 1 egg, 1 cup almond flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, pinch of salt. A thicker scoopable batter is what you want, not runny like pancake batter. You can also make it more stable by draining excess liquid from the cottage cheese first, blending the cottage cheese for a smoother texture, letting the batter rest 2 to 3 minutes so almond flour absorbs moisture. Then for toppings, you can customize them however you like. Optional toppings: everything bagel seasoning, sesame seeds, shredded cheese, garlic seasoning, parmesan cheese. These ingredients are simple, affordable, and packed with protein. Let's make them. In a mixing bowl, add your cottage cheese and egg first. Whisk until everything combines together. Next, add the almond flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything together until you get a thick batter. If the batter feels too wet, let it sit for a minute because the almond flour will absorb moisture. You want the texture thick enough to scoop easily. Now line your tray with parchment paper or lightly grease your air fryer basket. Using a spoon or cookie scoop, place small portions of batter onto the tray. You can make about 10 to 12 bites depending on the size. Now comes the fun part: toppings. Sprinkle everything bagel seasoning on top for that classic bagel flavor. Or add sesame seeds and cheese if you want extra crunch and flavor. For the air fryer, cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes. They should become golden on top and slightly firm on the outside. The inside stays soft, warm, and cheesy. If you're using the oven, bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 14 minutes. Keep an eye on them near the end because ovens can vary. You want lightly golden tops with soft centers. Look at these. They smell just like fresh bagels. The outside has a light golden texture, while the inside stays soft and fluffy. Takes bite. These are so good. Yeah, they taste savory, comforting, and satisfying without feeling heavy. These are perfect for meal prep too. You can store them in an airtight container in the fridge for about 4 days. just reheat in the air fryer or microwave for a quick breakfast or snack. You can even freeze them and warm them up later. Because these bites are higher in protein and lower in carbs, they can help to keep you fuller longer compared to regular bagels or processed snacks. The protein from the cottage cheese and egg helps make this a more balanced option. And since they're made with simple ingredients, you know exactly what's going into your food. You can also customize these in so many ways. Try jalapeno and cheddar, garlic parmesan, Italian seasoning, cinnamon with a sprinkle of sweetener, mozzarella and herbs. This recipe is super versatile. If you enjoyed this easy, healthy recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves high-protein snacks. These cottage cheese bagel bites are simple, delicious, and perfect for busy days. Now I want to know, what topping would you try first? Everything bagel seasoning, sesame seeds, cheese, garlic parmesan? Leave your favorite idea in the comments below, because I'd love to try your version next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next healthy recipe video.